Napoleon's eFIRE app controls nearly every function of your fireplace. Using this application allows you to revolutionize the way you use your fireplace. Once you have downloaded the app, ensure your Bluetooth settings are turned on. Then proceed to the eFIRE application button. Open the app and tap the screen when Control Your Fireplace appears. The next screen will start to search for a Napoleon fireplace with Bluetooth installed. Once a fireplace is located, the factory name will appear. Please note, each Bluetooth has a unique name, which will be seen in the last 4 digits in the factory name. For example, the one in this video is NAP_FPC_5DA0. Once you select the located fireplace, the next screen will ask for a password. The default is set to 0000. Once this is confirmed, the app will open and the main function screen will turn on, and you can control your fireplace. For more information about the app, visit the Napoleon eFIRE webpage.